Hello everyone, Mahesh here. In today's video, we are going to create different endpoints and more HTTP methods for those endpoints on our API gateway. In the last couple of videos, we have created our API gateway and also have enabled core settings for it. But more often than not, we will have multiple endpoints for our API. Like let's say in our e-commerce situation, we will have one API which will list down products, one API to add different products, different method to add products, and then to have a payment API as well as the orders API. So let's say if we want to add a different method on the same endpoint, what we can do here is another create method. So we already have a post method. So in this case, let's say we want a get method. So we can do the select a get method here and then click on this right icon. This should create a get method on the same endpoint. Again, we can select our API, same Lambda function here, or you can have different Lambda function. As this is just a test demo API, I will select the same Lambda function that we have created already and click on save and give the permission to this new method to invoke our Lambda function. And this is how you will add a different method on our API. And if you want to add another endpoint on the API, then in that case, you have to click create a resource first. And whenever you are creating a resource, always remember at what route, at what path you have already been clicked on. So we once I'm clicked on this root path, and here if I create a different resource, here I can, let's say I want to create a product resource, and then we can also enable cores from here itself, but for time being, let's just focus on creating different endpoints. So for this product API, again we can have a different methods enabled. Let's say for this we want a get method again, and we can mock this method for time being. So and if you want another nested product, after product you want something else, we can again create this resource here, and it will be appended to this product API, product endpoint. So this is how you can add different endpoints and methods to your API gateway. I hope you have found this useful. In the next video, what we will learn is about how to validate our request body before we can send that to our Lambda function. If our request doesn't have a validated body we can reject that request, and our Lambda won't even will be executed in that case. So we will learn this in the next video. See you in that one. Thank you.